Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is matrices, which deals with the arrangement of elements in form of rows and columns. Now what are rows? What are columns? This we will discuss later on. First of all, before starting with questions, let us have a look on the objectives of today's class. Objective number 1 is meaning and type of matrices. Objective number 2 is transpose of a matrix. Now, we will understand the meaning of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. The horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. Now remember that it's a singular form. Singular form is called matrix and plural form is called matrices. Means if there is one single matrix, it is known as matrices, but if there are more than one, that are known as matrices. Now remember one more thing, children. Each number or entry in matrix is known as its element. Now, what are rows and what are columns? Let us discuss about this. Rows. Rows means horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are called rows. And what are columns? Columns are vertical lines. Means the lines which are vertical are called columns. Children, there is one rule to remember rows and columns. That rule is HRVC. Means that horizontal rows and vertical columns. Now children, here I have taken one example by which you will understand how to write a matrix. Matrix is written in between curly brackets. These are the horizontal rows. So there are how many rows? There are 2 rows, and these are the vertical columns. So there are how many columns? 3 columns. And these all are the entries, or we can say these all are the elements of the matrix. Now children, let's talk about order. When we write the order, first of all we write the number of rows. So its rows are 2, and afterwards we write the columns. So its columns are 3. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. This order we will write here at the bottom. Now we will discuss the different types of matrices which we have. First type of matrix we have row matrix. Now what is row matrix? A matrix having one row and some columns is called a row matrix. Here for example I have taken a matrix, its name is A. We write the name of the matrix by a capital letter. Here I have taken A equals to 1, 2, 3. This matrix is having 1 row and 3 columns. So that's why its order is 1 by 3. 1 row and 3 columns. Next type of matrix is column matrix. Now what is column matrix? A matrix having only one column and some rows is called a column matrix. Here for example I have taken matrix B equals to 1, 2, 3. This matrix is having only one column and 3 rows. So that's why its order is 3 by 1, because it has 3 rows. So order is 3 by 1. Now see the third type of matrix, that is zero matrix or null matrix. Now what is zero matrix? If all the elements of a matrix are 0, then it is called a zero matrix. It is denoted by O, and we can see all the elements are 0. Its order is 2 by 2. So this matrix is known as zero matrix, or you can say null matrix. Next type of matrix is square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. Here, for example, I have taken matrix A equals to A, B, C, D. Here we are having 2 rows and 2 columns. So, therefore, it is a square matrix because rows and columns are equal. Next, fifth type of matrix is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all the elements other than diagonal are 0. Here see the example. Matrix B I have written. Here only diagonal elements are non-zero, rest all the elements are 0. So therefore it is known as diagonal matrix. This is the example of diagonal matrix. This is of order 3 by 3. Now sixth type of matrix is identity matrix or unit matrix. What is identity matrix? A square matrix. It will be a square matrix having 1 on its diagonal and 0 elsewhere is called an identity matrix. It is denoted by I. Here I have taken the example, this 1 0 0 1. This is denoted by the symbol I. Here what is the difference between these two matrices? Here in diagonal matrix, at diagonal places there can be any number, rest will be 0. But in unit matrix, at diagonal places there will be 1 only, rest will be 0. So this is the difference between diagonal matrix and identity matrix. So these are the main types of the matrices. Students, now we will discuss the concept of transpose. Before starting with the question of transpose, first of all, we will understand what is the meaning of transpose of a matrix. Transpose of matrix mean that interchange rows and columns. Means rows will become columns and columns will become rows. If we are having a matrix A, then its transpose will be denoted as A dash or AT. T means transpose. So this was the meaning of transpose. Now we will start with the question in which we have to find transpose. Statement is given that M, name of the matrix is M equals to 2 0 1 2. Find MT means we have to find the transpose of the matrix M. First of all, write what is given. Given matrix is M equals to 2 0 1 2. Now we will interchange rows and columns because we have to find transpose. So therefore MT equals to 2 0 1 2. This is the required answer. This was all about the concept of transpose of a matrix. So this was all about today's class. I hope that these first two objectives are clear to you and you will be able to solve the worksheet which has been sent to you in SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.